We ready, guys?
Yep.
Here we go. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Sorry, we all had to say it.
Yeah. So we thought we would just make a real quick video. Sherlock's not really happy about this.
No.
But we thought we'd make a real quick video just to wish you all a Merry Christmas. It's been an amazing year thanks to you guys. We have had just a terrific year, the best yet. And we owe it to you guys, our friends and customers.
Yes,
So.
our sign carving family. Merry Christmas. We just, we couldn't do what we do without you guys, and we hope you know how much we appreciate you. I know you guys always say that, we've done this or we've done that, but again, we wouldn't be able to do any of it without you here. Would you take him? He's done. He's gonna make a mad dash, so. He's more of a daddy's boy.
He doesn't like the camera.
Yeah, but anyway, we wanted to say thank you, and just I kind of want to introduce, in case some of you don't know who we all are and kind of what our jobs are. So I'm Vicki. I'm the mother and the wife and the grandmother and the mother-in-law, and I just basically do paperwork, and I fill in a little bit in the laser room when I'm needed, which isn't very often. So.
Yes, I'm Eric. I'm, I guess, kind of the so-called leader.
He's the old
here.
man of the family.
Yeah, I'm the old man.
And the main face.
Yes.
Of the
I
business.
guess so.
Yep.
So Dad started this thing back with me when I was a kid, and we've been going ever since. And now, in case you guys, again, are new, I think Sherlock's done.
He's done. Yes.
He's had enough. This is it. You're looking at the company right here. It's not a huge operation, but we all play a part. We all have our roles, and we work really good as a team. And we're looking forward to more years of servicing you guys. So, moving on.
Eric, go ahead.
I'm Little Eric, as everyone calls me. I'm the one who runs the laser room and packages most of the orders. And occasionally I get some help, but I pull the sets. I cut almost everything you guys buy off of the store, and I pretty much I do a lot. So
he runs the laser room. Yeah.
Yeah, I run the laser room. So most of the time, if you get anything from us, it's mostly done by me.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And I'm Ryan. You guys know me. And I just want to thank you guys again. Like Mom said, it's only because of you guys that we were able to have our small family business, and we just really appreciate all of the support. Watching the videos, the comments, sharing it, and buying our products. You guys, we couldn't do what we do without you. And it sounds cliche, but it's because of you guys that we get to have our small family business.
Mm-hmm. Very true.
And this is Olive.
This is Olive.
They both didn't dress up. I'm Amy, and I am the floater. I guess I kind of do a little bit of everything.
Mm-hmm.
And this is Gus.
Say hi, Gus.
Merry Christmas.
My grandson. My grandpuppy.
And Merry Christmas.
All right, guys. Again, this is a quick video, but it is December 25th. Merry Christmas. We love you guys. Thank you so much. And we're really looking forward to an awesome 2025.
Can't wait to see what
Absolutely.
happens. So.
Can't wait.
Merry Christmas.